Carries pa car. What's up guys? Today is our day off. We're heading to Carries. Si Rob ng bagong TV. Kasi
bulok yung TV. Deserve new TV because it's new.
dapat manonood kami ng Drag Race. Yung bagong season ng Drag Race US. Eh ang bagal ng mag-loading ng TV namin. Binutin niya ng remote. Tapos nasira. Gusto niya talagang bumili ng TV. So pipick upin namin. Fit of the day. Puffer.
Kailangan mo ng bagong gamit.
Yeah. According to Google, mamayang 8 PM mag-snow. So, ready kami. Siya nga naka-t-shirt lang. Ako, balot na balot.
Series from Uniqlo.
Hashtag not sponsored. So, we took a bus going to Carries. We are here in Carries. Carries ba Carries?
Golo.
So, nandito tayo sa Old Kent, London.
Pilipino ka naman, Kev.
Oh. Tignan nyo kung gaano kalaki yung TV. We're just waiting for over.
Enables more independence and queries to take place along grass. That can't be applied here. It has to be short. It's gone before.
I think the long grass is
We just got home. Sasampay na si Rob. Ang pogi mo dyan, ang cute-cute mo.
Tagalan mo na yan dyan.
Wait lang!
Sabi ka dyan, uy.
Yay! Ay! So ito yung saksakan sa likod na may kasama yung battery. So look at that! It's so chic! Ito dalawa. Where to put it? Ayun. 1, 2, 3. Turn it on, turn it on.
Nalagay mo na ba yung battery?
Yes. But this is freaking huge.
For lunch. Because we don't have time to cook. Wala na kami yung grocery. Kasi wala kami grocery.
Ang laki na ng TV namin. Chicken wings.
Year of the Snake ang 2025.
Hi guys.
Pala kasi ito, sawa.
Ang ganda ng tama ng araw. Hi Angel. Ganda oh. Wow. Look at that. With the blue sky. So lovely. Hi. What's up guys? As you can hear in my voice, I think New Year was so crazy. I really pushed myself the day before. Diba? Ang busy-busy ko nung before New Year's Eve. Ang dami kong pinaggagawa. Init, lamig. So, ngayon, ayan, may sakit ako. Absent ako today from work. Oh no. Baka daw ma-regular dun sa work ko. Anyways, dito naman sa UK, mas priority ang health. Physically and mentally. So, I think mauunawaan na naman nila At talagang may sakit ako. Like, literally. So, umiinom naman ako ng gamot. I'm staying hydrated. But, di pa rin talaga kaya. Medyo nahihilo pa ako. Ewan ko anong flu ang tumama sa amin. Actually, pati si Rob may sakit. So, di ko alam kung anong flu yung tumama sa amin. So, nag-breakfast pa lang ako. Past 12 na eh. 12:49 na. So, mag-breakfast pa lang ako. Kasi kailangan ko uminom ng gamot. So, magto-toast and butter lang ako. And then, black coffee. Kasi this year, itutuloy-tuloy ko pa din ang ating intermittent fasting. Kasi kailangan natin maging slim para sa ating wedding. I'm having toast and coffee. So, since 2025, niisip kong baguhin yung layout ng living room namin para lang mabago. Kasi, since bago yung TV, your reflection from the window, alam mo yun, minsan hindi namin makita. So, plan ko, ilagay siya there. Tapos, paikot-ikutin ko siya. Yeah, let's try.
Hey.
Itatagilid natin para karoon ng space ng konti doon. Set up hati yung dining room saka yung ating living room, living area, no? Maganda naman siya. Tingnan natin kung gusto niyo room. Para hati, para hindi siya mukhang bulwagan. So this is the layout I came up with. What's up, guys? I'm feeling a bit better now. Pero si Rob, siya naman yan nagkasakit. So I just cooked penne arrabbiata with some shrimp and buttered garlic bread.
Butter kasi binugbog. Ilan?
7? Naubos nilang 2?
Hindi, 3.
Kaya kagaling ko lang sa labas. Hindi ako masyado nag-vlog kasi hindi pa maganda yung pakiramdam ko, so hindi pa ako masyadong komportable. Super lamig today. -2 degrees. So I'm back home. So galing ako sa labas kasi dinala ko yung mga nabenta ko sa Vinted. So pumunta ako ng Tesco para sa Every. Pumunta ako dun sa hindi ko tandaan kung saan yun. Basta sa tapat siya ng Poundland. Nakalimutan ko anong street. So yeah. So ito yung outfit ko. Lulubas ako. Peace na ako. I'm hungry! Pakita ko yung mga pinamili ko today sa Poundland. Nakakita ko ng lamp. £1.50. Tapos powered by AAA battery. Lang lamp sip. Oh, ang cute to. Paanda rin natin tong lamp na to. Batteries. Wow! Dito siya. Dito? Dito. Diyan. Tsaka. Kailangan lang ng mabilis ang lamp. Tapos ito dito na. Good morning, guys. So today is Saturday. Tingnan niyo yung ano. Naging IC. Eh, hindi siya kita sa screen. Mukha siya alikabok. Ayan. So, ang today is -4. Di kita. It's -4. It's freezing. Yeah, so I am on my way to work. And today, sa King's Cross ako naka-duty today. Kasi I'm doing my additional training for work. Work training. Ito, kita. Ayan, mas kita na icy. Sa street, wala na masyado kasi lagi siyang nadadaanan. Lamig. Icy. Icy yung top. Ganda ng weather today. Maaraw pero malamig. Napakalamig. I'm not going to Paris today. Sunny and wet. Got my coffee. So now I'm heading to Coles Drop Yard. So yun yung Coles Drop Yard. We're here. Ang asin.